And here we have the amazing SXT Folding bikes and SMILEYSCOOT and Muck and Fun in Wicklow. All these bikes fold up. We import them from Germany, and we build and assemble all our electric scooters and electric bikes here. We do 25 different types of electric scooters and electric bikes. This amazing machine folds up. When you pedal, it's just like total assistance. It's hard, it's so easy to pedal. So the SXT folding bike at Muck and Fun. Finance and all can be arranged on our SXT and Evo power boards. So light, these, amazing how lightweight, and the amazing construction. All top of the range stuff. Above all, fun, fully street legal. No tax, no insurance, thank God. We finally get something that we don't have to have tax and insurance and pay through the roof to drive around on. Great, you get 2 or 3 of them into the back of your car. Full range on muckandfun.com. Home delivery anywhere in Ireland, €35. And all scooters come built, tested, fully charged, ready to use. All at Muck and Fun in Wicklow. The SXT folding bike. Sometimes we have waiting lists on these, but we got a few in today. Need any info or help and advice, just let us know. Muck and Fun opens Tuesday to Sunday every day, only closed on Monday. And we are the biggest off-road shop in Ireland by a long way, with over 250 machines in stock. I'll just show you around the corner, and jet skis and buggies, you name it. All at Muck and Fun. As you can see, some serious amount of stuff inside and out, all at Muck and Fun. So here, the SXT folding bike right at Muck and Fun. SMILEYSCOOT.com is our new website coming soon for our scooters.